Talking about conversions, when do you want to convert from propane heat or electric heat or oil heat and go to natural gas? Okay, natural gas versus oil is almost a third of your gas bill will be what your heating bill used to be. So there's a significant savings there, okay? Besides, it's cleaner for the atmosphere with natural gas, okay? Electric is renewable by solar, but is a very costly way to heat your house. And in the colder climates, when you have to use electric auxiliary heat on a heat pump, you're going to regret having a heat pump. Okay, and people that have the heat pump know exactly what I'm talking about. So if you already consider converting from oil or from propane or from electric heat pump to gas heat, feel free to give us a call. We have to come out and lay out the house for the equipment, okay, size it correctly, and also design a gas pipe layout. So therefore the utility company, which we'll notify, and we'll get everything, we'll run the whole thing from front to back. When we do a major install like that, or any install, we always fill out all the paperwork for all the permits. We invite you to go pick up the permits, so that way you have a relationship with your local municipality, which is always a good feature to have, okay? You want to know who's working for your township. So we always have you pick up the permits, we fill them out, you pick them up, you have to be there for the final inspections from the township. And the township inspectors are only looking out for your behalf to make sure we do our job correctly and properly and look out for your wellness and safetyness in your town. So don't think the township being the bad guy with permits. A lot of people have that stigma. They don't like the township, they don't like the permits. But they're really your best friend, just trying to watch over your back and try to help you, not hurt you. But converting is a very good way to go and save your utility bills. And if you go from oil to gas, you normally get a payback within 5 years.